Next, we have this case from the back. Normally, we have to rotate once, solve it, rotate twice to solve the whole case. But then, there's actually a way to solve the whole thing with less moves and with no rotations from the back, and it goes like this. And here is it again, but faster. Now, the next case is where this piece and this piece needs to go here. When you get it from this angle, the standard solution requires a rotation like this. And then you can solve it. And here is how you can solve this and this rotationless. And here it is again, this piece and this piece. Next we have this case where this piece and this piece to go in here. Now the standard solution rotates like this and then does this algorithm. That is pretty fast, but we can do even faster. Now, with a rotationless algorithm, this piece and this piece can be solved like this. And there it is again faster, this piece and this piece.